guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Jay.
I'm Hayley.
And this is our Adventures Are Out There. Welcome. So today we are at a National Trust property. This one is called the Vyne. We've been here once before, a few years ago. I think it was when lockdown lifted, but we don't talk about lockdown and that stuff anymore. So yeah, welcome and join us. We're going to go for a little wander around. If you're new to the channel, please give it a like, a thumbs up and a subscribe. And if you are returning, thank you so much. It means the world to us. Yeah, it really does keep us motivated to keep making these and show you guys a little bit more of what's out there, and hopefully you can go out on your own adventures as well and let us know where you've gone and help us make new videos in the future as well. So yeah, join us. Thanks guys. Off to the right if you want to take the shorter route, and yellow and brown straight on. Alright guys, so we're doing the longer brown route today, as you've probably already seen. So that's the edge of the Vyne estate. Brown path goes up there, and if you're coming in this way, that's what you're going to see. Alright guys, that's where we've started, and we're going to go back on the brown path and go across the water this way this time.
What do you think?
Yeah, really enjoyed it. I find it quite relaxed here actually. Like some National Trust properties, you feel
Formal.
yeah, it feels a bit formal with the gardens and things. But this place, people playing football on the front lawn, everyone's sitting down having picnics and stuff. Really nice. Really enjoyed it. Thoroughly recommend. Hopefully the footage has done it some benefit and some justice. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video as well. So if you have, please like, comment, subscribe. It means the absolute world to us, and we'll keep doing what we're doing. And hopefully you can find your own adventures. And if there's anywhere that you guys feel that we should be venturing out to, or somewhere you'd like to see us visit, then yeah, just pop us a comment below, and we'll see you on the next one.